Okay, let's have a quick walk on how to go about the login of the listing of the hosting. So for the sake of the particular tutorial, for the sake of the particular rehearsal, the practice that you want to do, so just have to do this cover video on how to go about it. Okay, so here is the listing. Here is the hosting company that I have, the hosting that I have, which is hosted on, which is whereby I'm using Amo Web Hosting for this particular this particular domain. I actually hosted it on Amo Web, so I have to log into the Amo Web. Here is the site already. You just have to click on the login to log in. I have the login saved. I just have to select the one I want to use. Select the hosting that I want to use. As you can see, here is it. I've already logged into it, whereby I have the front page, whereby I have the service, the domain, the ticket, then the invoice. So I have to click on what? I have to click on the services, which is the one. I have only one service there, which is the one. So as you can see, I've already clicked on the service and it's already loaded. Then you can see according to your screen, you have the plan, the product or services, whereby we have the starter plan, then we have the option which is the manage, then next due date. So the next due date for this particular hosting is is on 4th September of next year, which is 2024. As you can see, the status is active. So here is it. You click on that starter plan, which is the new life telecom.com newlifetelecom.com.ng. You click on it. Having you click on it, you allow it to load. Actually depend on your network. You allow it to load. Then after the loading, you have this particular page. You have this particular page. Then whereby you just have to just scroll down. Then you have the manage account option. Then you have the one-click login. So we are working here. Here we are working with the one-click login. We are working with the one-click login, which is the cPanel. So click on the cPanel. So now it will refer you to another section. So you refer you to another section. Mind you, there's another way of logging to the cPanel too, but just make it easy with one login. So that's why I just have to log into the hosting to make it fresh. They adding me want to log into the to the cPanel. Right, want to log into the cPanel right from the scratch. Then there's another link. So like the normal cPanel link. The cPanel link is the domain/cPanel. Domain/cPanel. Then you have to input the cPanel login details, which is the username and the password. But having we log in through the hosting direct, we have access to many features. We have access to the file manager. You can easily log into. That's why we just have this thing. That's why we just have the one-time login that serves as the easy login. Alright, mind you, we're already in the cPanel. So I said I want to clear what? I want to clear the available file. I want to clear the available file on the particular domain. The domain I want to give you for the rehearsal, for the practice. So I want to clear it there. Whereby for me to clear, I have to what? I have to go to the file manager here. File manager. Here is the file manager already loading. So now here is the file manager. So for us to avoid heartbreak, for us to avoid story that actually touches at this particular hosting did not only host a single domain. As you can see, we have thegoods.com.ng, we have ncash.com.ng, though that ncash domain is not active again. Then we have beefqueen.com.ng. Then we also have vtu.newlifetelecom.com.ng. So that is on this particular hosting we hosted like close to like 4 to 5 domains. So to avoid the story that touches at, which is to avoid heartbreak, whereby I avoid clearing of file on another domain again, we just have to go straight to the one we want to make use of, which is thegoods.com.ng. So I just have to highlight it, click on the thegoods.com.ng. I already click on it. So all the files that actually shows here are the one under thegoods.com.ng. To make it easy for the clearing, just have to click on, as you can see from the option on the option above, we have home, we have the up one level, we have the back, we have the forward, we have the reload, then we have the select all. So to make it easy, we have to just click on select all. I already click on select all, then we can what? After clicking on select all, we have delete at the apex. So just click on delete to what? To clear it. So here we have it. Already click on delete to delete it. So then the goods.com.ng, we have an empty this thing. So let's check the particular domain, which is the goods.com.ng. The goods.com.ng. So here is it. It's already blank because we already cleared everything. We already cleared it. So now we have to go back to what? We have to go back to our cPanel. Mind you, if you are actually using a phone, just make sure your phone is in what? Is in desktop mode. Alright. For the sake of your rehearsal, you want to make use of WordPress. So here is how to go about the WordPress own. So you can see you have the tools here. In the cPanel, we have the tools. So under the tools, we have email, we have files, we have database, we have domain, we have metrics, then we have security, we have the software, we have the advanced preferences, then we have the script. What is a WordPress? Let me just say WordPress in the easy term. In an easy term, WordPress is an already made script. WordPress can be said to be an already made script. It is actually a coding platform on its own, whereby it makes it easy for everyone to what? To build any kind of website, to build your dream website of your choice easily without undergoing any stress. Though stress, there is actually stress involved, but it gives chance for easy access. So now for this particular domain, now we want to install what? We want to install WordPress. So you have to click on under the script. You see is the first one, say WordPress. So just click on WordPress here. Click on WordPress, then allow it to load. So we already click on WordPress. As you can see, you have the features. We have the features here. So you click on, we have install, we have my app, then manage plugin / theme set. So we want to what? Just click on what? Just click on install now. So now we have in the install now. Having we click on the install now, then we have this software setup. We have what? We have the software setup. So you choose the domain you want to install your WordPress. So click on this. As you can see, we have it here. We have choose the protocol. Choose the protocol first. The protocol is normal https. The protocol should always be https. For any client you want to work for anyone you want to work for, your main protocol should be https. So that's that. Then the domain you want to install your WordPress on. The default one is neolifetelecom.com.ng, but you have to select it to the main one we want to work on. So as you can see, we have 3 domain here. We have neolifetelecom.com.ng, then we have the goods.com.ng, then we have the goods.com.ng.neolifetelecom.com.ng. So now for this tutorial, we are working on the goods.com.ng. So just click on the goods.com.ng. So the directorate is WordPress. The WP stands for WordPress. So as you can see, so just name your the blog setting. Then we move to the blog setting. Whereby we have the blog name, the site name, rather the website description, the site description. Then we have the admin account. The admin account is where you have your admin username, the admin password, then the admin email. So that's where here you input the details you want to use. The details, the site name you want to use at that moment, you input it in the site name, the site description, the aim of. Now, no, you can actually edit it later, but you can just input something else, or you can just input something in the site setting, or probably you leave it blank. You just leave it automatic as the default one. But your admin info, which is the admin account, your admin username, you can set it to any one of your choice. Then the admin password, you set your admin password. Then the admin email, you set your admin email, whereby your own email or any of your client's email. So then after that, after having you done that, then you click on what? You click on install. You get? You just click on install. So then once you click on install, then you already set up your what? You already set up your WordPress site. So whereby you can just click on the particular site, you can click on the particular domain, search on your browser, then you have your WordPress front. Then you can log into your admin panel, whereby you input the domain slash WP admin WP admin. So that's it. Then okay, it's easy. Once you're done with the installation, then you have your front, whereby you have the site link and then you have the admin link as well. So it's actually easy. Then if there's any question, you can just hit me up in my DM. Always available.